Okay. Got a little more charge. What's going on, you guys? Happy 4th of July. Got some charge, got that uploaded. Let's go do another 10 minutes. It's getting darker. I think I should be wearing safety glasses.
You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
You're my man.
What you do, you stand out here and somebody got the Christmas lights on. That's the guy who came by and said he was going to light some fireworks. Oh, it's over here behind that tree, maybe. There's one over here. No, those are big booms. We got an airplane. Well, 10 minutes and we can't even get the airplane, and it was like cracking. And then it got quiet all of a sudden. What's going on, guys? We'll shoot about 10 or 15 minutes here, and I'll go put my phone on the charger. It's over there behind the tree. They gonna light something?
Banana bomb.
A what?
Banana bomb?
Miss Gio lighted some heat, bro.
A banana bomb?
The kids all broke into your sodas.
All right.
Of course, when they were cute. I don't want to look up. I don't want nothing to do. Grandpa, thank you for the beer.
Root beer. Some of those are pretty good.
Tiana got a dewberry. Dewberry?
Yeah, dewberry. I seen that one.
Baby got one too. They're good.
Strawberry.
He's staying to himself.
They're good when you're.
I think he's fixing his girlfriend. Oh, that's good. Maybe he'll go over there.
They're good when you're mowing the lawn.
Yeah.
Like get that bottle really cold,
Yeah.
and then just drink it down.
Instead of going to get the that's why it takes so long. He went to the park with 4 this morning instead.
All right. Well. Time for you guys to go back on the battery charge. You gonna light that?
We gotta light this one
All
right
right,
here.
go ahead. That'll be the last thing on my video. Dre shot that out of his hand just a little while ago.
All risk, no reward.
All wrist. All wrist.
All
risk.
All risk. But I said all risk, no reward.
I'll try and get it. Here we go. There you go.